Where? Just noticed. Look good. She be finding little frogs and everything in here too. She be frogging. Oh my gosh, you really are a primal kitty. She come out here and she really get in her element. There's like a field over there. So all back to the back of this creek is a field. So yeah, the cats just come out here all spring and summer and fall, weather permitted, and they just really get in their natural element. Really just blossom into these primal little kitties. And then they come in the winter and it's really hard to contain them and all their energy because they're used to climbing trees and having fun. What's it doing? You're gonna, oh, you're crazy. Yeah, I think you're crazy. Hi. You back. Cutie. Yes. She back. She back. Mm-hmm. D. Goodness. See? Climbing in the trees. I was sitting there and she just climbed up all this mess. It's hanging up here, this bush.